everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be diving into the world of studying in Europe. So let's explore 3 reasons why you should consider Europe for your master. But before we do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and ring that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our study abroad updates. First, top universities. Did you know कि वर्ल्ड की टॉप 10 यूनिवर्सिटीज में से 6 यूरोप में है? कैम्ब्रिज, ऑक्सफोर्ड, UCL, Imperial, ETH Zurich, University PSL. All of these are in Europe. So whether you want to pursue a career in engineering, business or arts, you'll be sure that you are going to receive a rigorous and comprehensive education. And that too half the cost of studying in US or Canada. Second, career opportunities. As an international student, you will get the opportunity to network, intern, and gain exposure among the top companies of the world. And did you know that most European countries offer a 2-year post-study visa easily that helps you launch your career in Europe and beyond? But always remember that when it comes to working, knowing an extra foreign language or a European language always helps. Third, location. Studying in Europe is closer to home and cheaper than studying in US, Canada or the UK. Additionally, it also gives you an opportunity to travel and work cross borders. So for example, if you got a degree from Ireland, you can easily get a job in Germany, or if you've got a degree from Netherlands, you can easily get a job in other countries like Spain, Denmark and more. But wait, this video would be incomplete if I don't tell you the cons of studying in Europe. First, the obvious language barriers. Studying in European countries, other than a select few that do accept English or speak English, it becomes difficult if you do not know the local language. And unlike US and Canada, English would not be there, and people here do not speak English even if they know it. By the way, Netherlands is one English-friendly country. Yes, that is true. But other countries like Germany, France, Spain, Italy, it is important that you know the local language. And honestly, knowing the language is always a plus if you wish to work there, because it will give you an edge over the locals and also other international students. Second, weather. Europe is cold and a little bit gloomy. Unlike India, where we're used to sunlight 24/7, Europe is a bit dull, cold and humid. Now, it might not be a big deal for some, but it could be for others who are traveling to a new country all alone for the first time. But do not consider this as a reason not to come, because यहाँ पे आपको बहुत सारी learnings मिलेगी. And within a few weeks, you'll be so well integrated into college and have so many friends that you will completely stop missing. Third, work opportunities. Because of a global slowdown, opportunities everywhere are less, especially more so for Indian students in Europe. So to beat this, what you can do is get part-time jobs, learn the local language, and keep networking, because that is going to help you beat the global slowdown. All in all, I'm not saying don't study in Europe, because these challenges are nothing compared to the learning that you're going to get by working, living and staying all alone in a new country. And these challenges and failures are going to push you to become your best self. Alright, so this brings us to the end of this video. If you found it insightful, do drop a like below and a comment, and don't forget to share this video with a friend who's going to move to Europe soon. See you next time.